Hi guys, good morning. We're finally at Bangkok. Yay! It's a girls trip at Bangkok and matagal na namin itong pinaplano guys kasi lagi kami magkakasama sa Manila pero di pa kami nakapag out of the country. Mahirap i-align yung schedule ng isa't isa. Like for example me, I had to rebook the night before because I had to attend to some important things. And then si Belen, si Aliana susunod. I got the burnt caramel latte. Let's taste it. Sarap.
Does it taste burnt?
Not so burnt.
Mapait. Pait-paitin siya. You want? You wanna try?
Her face says it all.
Sumo mo.
I love you.
Edit niyo to ah.
Ayun, yung kakanda.
Yung kakanda.
Action.
Baby, I love you. I do need you no matter what. No matter what. Di kasi yung bigay.
Sarap nga.
Yo, it's Tiff, guys. Wow.
Yo, it's Tiff, guys.
Welcome to another vlog. So for today's video, we are gonna
I was alone. Yun lang. First meal here at Thailand. Best daw dito guys is yung crab omelette. Pero wala pa. We're gonna wait for it.
We are experiencing wardrobe malfunction. Ang aking mga stylist ay namamroblema. Yan, ganyan nila lang. Day 1, be like, ang taba mo na kasi yun.
Uy, gabi, hindi naman. It's the dress eh.
Bigyan natin siya ng hair tie. Hair tie. Ang galing din.
Day 1 na day 1 eh, no?
No, it's okay. Fashion right now. Fashion. The new fashion. The new fashion. Salamat kay nude. Pwede mga DIY sa IG, 1 top 5 ways.
Ay, in fair, nagawa ng paraan.
And it's better.
Oo, hindi halata in fair. Wow, talay naman ni Ashi nakapag-outfit change.
Museum of Contemporary Art here in Bangkok and just going around appreciating art and its beauty, and I thank you. Hi guys, we spent an hour dito. Okay, so we're done going around. If you're also interested to go here, I think mga 280 baht siya. And now, our next agenda is we'll go to the Siam Mall, yung Paragon, yung kilalang mall here. Halata yung mga dinog ko. So this is like 30 minutes away from our hotel.
When we got here, wala ang tao. Tapos nung dumating kami, biglang dumami yung tao. So ibig sabihin kami ang life of the party. Hindi pala, cut that out. Mabash naman ako.
Hindi naman. What if true? One, two, three, go. Yun ang sarap. 1, 2, 3! Vic. Ano oras na ba?
12 na nga.
Ayun.
Pagdating ni Bells,
I got salmon egg thingy.
Diba sabi sa'yo kay Ashley?
Bakit? Sorry.
guys, sorry, hindi na aesthetic. Bawas.
Okay lang, ito
Sisiyo, sirain na dito.
No, it's fine. Guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you. It's the reality. Magpapalit ako ng boots. Tapos ako mag-aura. Kailangan naka-rubber shoes sa go-kart. So, I brought some sampas.
Guys, grabe itong si Ashley. Napakasipag. Ang bigat ng bag niya. Tapos ang dami yung mga support her fashion content. Ano ba ang aesthetic mo if you don't mind?
I don't know.
Like, medyo more, like, leaning towards the minimal na, like, classier.
Yeah, pero parang hindi naman ako minimal na super like yung empty, gano'n. Kasi I like whites, I like creams, I like pastels.
Oh, in fairness, it's a cream. Ano
Yeah.
ba? Like, consistent yan.
Oh, ikaw rin di ba mga-cream ka? Kaya nga sobrang like, alam niyo ba guys, so pumunta ako sa bahay ni Ate Tony, yung bag collection niya, puro creams and browns and yung mga little colors, pero like more on gano'n, di ba, yung palette mo. Kasi sabi ko, oh my gosh, ito yung gusto kong bag collection.
Nagkawin ko ba yung ano ba yung Coach?
Oo! Di ba?
Like, favorite mo yun, one of your faves talaga.
Oo, nabudol ako ni Ate Tony. The Budol Queen. Hi guys, so right now we're at Impact Speed. Mag-go-kart kami. So this is the fit. Nag-change na ako into sneakers.
Sino ang nagpaiyak kay Miss Minji? Yes, Marcos.
Ako.
So, who do you want to elect as the class president?
Parang ikaw na.
Guys, alam niyo ba, fun fact, magka-class kami ni Tiff noon, ng freshman year. Yes.
Nag-usap pa kayo.
Hindi mo mapasok.
Sino hindi pumapasok?
Siyempre, ikaw.
Before we get started with extreme caution, yellow and red lights. Your session is over. Finish your lap. Return to the pit lane.
Bawal daw. Kailangan GoPro daw na naka-attach sa helmet or like sa body mo.
Wala ba tayo mauutusan na mag-picture sa atin habang mag-video sa atin?
Oh, yun na nga eh.
Lock.
Yun ata yung nakakulit. Yes, the white.
Please.
Have you heard about the latest thing? Everybody's jacking in.
More round of applause to the first place. Yay! Guys, nanalo pa kami sa lagay na yan. Number 1 si Casey. Easy. Top 3.
Hindi kasi ako sa class.
True. Tayo yung maingay na Vivo. Tayo tatlo, podium. F1 ko no. Anong feeling manalo sa championship?
I feel overwhelmed. Because, you know, it's my first time.
Yes.
You know, we made it.
Chamba lang talaga. Chamba lang guys.
First timer electric.
Yeah, first timer na medyo napagalitan pero natawid yung vlog guys.
Classmate.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to my little party, a little get together. Oh, boss, they're coming.
This is our karaoke room. For 4 hours, it's 4,000 baht.
What she said. Yeah, iba pa yung drinks din for you. And madami pa akong ibang packages. And karaoke room. Ganda lang ang pagkakas. Vlog lang. You can charge your phone. Oh, diba? Boom. One more. Yes. May umutot. Ako yun Ikaw umutot.
Someone farted near. Oh my God,
Guys, laro lang to. Sineseryoso. Slam the door. Hear no signals. Like a feather with you on my life. Excuse me, you're a head guy. You don't really know thing for American guys. I mean, time. Secret life. Hi guys, it's already day 4. Puro cafe hopping and shopping lang kami. Actually, today is shopping day. Magpa-Platinum Mall kami and magsisiyang Paragon. This is the outfit of the day. Comfy lang. I'm gonna show you guys my summer must-haves. Jisoo Life and also this Cool Fever Wipe Cool refreshing body towel. Tapos may cooling sensation siya na naglalast. Sobrang lakas maka-fresh. For example, ang go-to outfit ko kasi ngayon is leather jacket, tas tank top, tapos low-waist jeans. So, pag nagde-leather jacket ako, para hindi ako pawisin, magaganito muna ako para malamig yung feels ng body ko. Hindi ako pagpawisan agad. Kasi pawisin talaga ako. And then, Jisoo Life. Sobrang lakas. Para siyang blower. Just gonna wait for the others. My first time to try the Thai tea crepe cake. I love crepe. It's my favorite dessert. Masarap siya, in fairness. Ang sarap. Can I taste? Ay, tapunan ako. Oh, man.
Oh! Ito closer tayo. Okay.
For a hug. Cute! Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm here at Gentlewoman. I'm alone na kasi humiwalay ako sa kanila. Yung iba nag-Eve and Boy to go makeup shopping. I just went here because I want to buy clothes. I'm kind of overwhelmed because I got a lot of stuff in my basket and I'm just gonna sort them out because you never know. Maybe out of impulse ko lang siya in-add to cart. Outfit of the day, I'm wearing New The Label. Pants are from Levi's, Adidas Sambas, and my Marc Jacobs bag. Sunny's from Gentle Monster. Alam nyo guys, pag nagsha-shopping ako, sobrang tamad ko mag-fitting room. So, natotorn ako if mag-fitting room pa ba ako or hindi. Oh my gosh, ang cute. May Gentlewoman na plates rin pala.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true.
Sobrang cute! Giraffes, where you at? Aliana! Let's
Bakit parang pagod siya?
Sisi, wala siya hair care. Sa previous Growling Tiger, go Uste. Go Uste! Go Uste! Hello! Oh, you seem like you buy. So, how's life? Yeah. I know, right? Ang hirap pigilin yung gutom, no? So cute, this corn. Grabe guys, ang intense nung giraffe kanina.
Sobra. Tignan nyo na lang yung clips niya. Doon sa isa niyang camera, guys.
Inaambush.
Ganun pala feeling ma-ambush.
Kasi grabe, akala ko kasi nangangagat sila. Tinatry kong i-reserve yung carrots ko for later. Sabi ko, no, mine. Tapos kinakain niya lahat.
Hindi, parang okay naman sila. It's just that sobrang laki nila.
Oo, sobrang laki nila. Nakaka-intimidate.
Oo. So, parang matatakot ka talaga.
Na ano ka rin ba? Like,
Oo, babe.
nagtago ka?
No, kasi yung, ano ba dito, yung parang palanggana, nasa lap ko. Hindi ko na naggalaw, kinain niya lahat doon. As in, nakahiga na ako.
Nakahiga ka na rin. Baka di na kami mag-show guys kasi
Gusto pa mag-shopping.
gusto pa mag-shopping. Lalo na to kasi ngayon lang siya sumunod.
Kagabi lang.
Kagabi lang. So, ginawa niyang pansol yung Thailand. Two days, overnight. 2 days, 2 nights. We're currently at this cafe filled with cactus. This is my outfit of the day. This whole set is from Gentlewoman. And then my boots are from Poppy. Oh, and my shades are from Gentlewoman. Namula na siya. Cute. Good morning with my roomies. Jisoo life is life.
It's like,
Told you guys. Oh yeah, we're matchy-matchy.
first time ko maganto.
As twins for today. Ay!
Wrong timing.
It's our last full day here at Thailand. And we're here at Gump Aries. It's like a parang food park na puro cafe. We're on the way to the airport. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below kung saan next. Where to next? Parang Bali, Indonesia. Parang Korea. Ay! Thank you. Bye. Listen to my